Alright, good afternoon everyone. Today is Tuesday, the 8th day of April 2014. Today in the live trading room, we had 20 ticks profit in the Russell, an 8-tick loss in crude oil, 12 ticks profit in gold. It took us 8 minutes and 2 trades to get to our goal of $100 per contract this morning. And we took a total of 14 trades in the live trading room this morning. So far, in the 6 trading days so far in the month of April, we are up $2,237.50 per contract. Right, $22.37.5 per contract. We have taken 94 trades in the 6 days, and we are up a net. If you had an $8 per turn commission, you would be up a net of $1,485.50 per contract. If you applied a $5 commission to every trade we took, you would be up a net of $1,767.50 per contract. Okay, that's where we stand, $22.37.5 on the month. All right. Now I'm going to save this and move on to the next thing. If you have not taken a free trial with us and you want to take a free trial with us, then you need to go to, hold on just a minute, Mark, hang on a sec, Mark M, I'm just checking to see if he's in here. Yeah, Mark, try your Ninja again. I just added you again. Okay, the one that had expired. You should be okay. Sorry guys, didn't mean to do that. I just noticed something. All right, to take our free trial, if you want to take a free trial, go to CFRN.net. Any page really, but the home page, right on the right hand side, it says register for a free trial. If you put in your name and your email address, click register for a free trial. You'll be sent a link in your email. When you click on that link is a confirmation link. When you click on that, then we'll know that you signed up for the free trial. We don't know until you actually click on that link, so you have to find that link and click on it. Okay. The free trial consists of 5 days in our live trading room. You get access to either charting platform that we have. We have DT Pro or Ninja. You get access to all the indicators on either one of those charting platforms. For that matter, you could have access to both if you wanted to. For 5 business days, you get that. You get access to our live trading room. You get access to Dwayne and myself to ask questions. All right, you get to see all the trades that I put on and take off in the live trading room during the 5-day trial and ask all the questions you want. Really take advantage of the free trial. All right. When you sign up, you'll be sent a couple of emails. One of the emails is going to tell you how to get into the live trading room and all that. And the other email will tell you how to set up your workspace in either DT Pro or in Ninja. And also goes over, it says please watch this video. Or please watch the video. It goes over the trade setups. If you watch that before your first day in the live trading room, you'll have a little bit of a head start on what's going on, because a lot of days, the first 10 minutes are really active, or they can be really active. And, in a lot of days in the first 10 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes, I've got my goal for the day. And I'm not going to have time in those first 10 to 15 minutes to slow down and show you the trade setups one by one as I'm doing them, because I'm trying to get the goal for the day. I'm trying to make money, and then I'll slow down, and once I've gotten that, then I'll slow down and show you all the trade setups. Okay? So, if you want a head start on it, watch the video. Alright, with that, I'm going to slide that off, and we'll start going over the actual trades we took. Now, as always, we'll start with crude oil. Today on crude, where do we end up? I only had one trade on crude, and it was minus 8 ticks. Crude was just nasty here today. You see, this was the open, and it was just up and down right here in between this area right here that I had highlighted and the weekly trading zone. There was no trading in there until it got down below this level right here. All right, got down below that level, and I took a short trade right here on the down close, and sure enough, it stopped me out, changed directions. It went up here. There was a long trade in here toward the end of the live trading room, but I missed it on the crude, and you can see since then the crude is just taken off. Ignoring the weekly trading zones, there were some trades in here on the crude. There was right in here there was one, right in here there was one, Right over here there was one. Right over here there was one. Over here there was one. Over here there was one. So there was plenty of opportunity once it started to trend. And you can see that it was just all bunched up in here all morning. I'm guessing the API numbers came out, and that's why the crude inventory, the crude's going up so much. The API numbers probably just came out a little while ago. And then we'll probably see some kind of pretty big movement tomorrow too. Okay. No, the inventories are Wednesday. The APIs come out on Tuesday, Jim. The API for the gasoline stocks, the crude, all those things comes out on Tuesday. Okay. All right. So that was crude. We had one trade and we were minus 8 ticks. We lost that one trade. Okay. You know where you go to see that info? Go to the CFRN toolbar. I'll show you how to download that. If you have Firefox, the thing works flawlessly. If you don't have Firefox, well, then it depends what version of IE or Chrome you have. But go here and download the toolbar. And
I think suddenly everybody hates Firefox. I don't know.
Really?
It has something to do with serving chicken on Sunday or something. I don't know.
Chicken on Sunday?
Yeah, they want to give the chickens birth control and then serve it on Sunday. And I don't know. I think it's some kind of religious, quasi-political thing. I'm not even really sure. I saw some hate message that, I don't know. But since I'm the news reporter, I'll figure it out. I'll get to the bottom of this and I'll report back.
Okay,
but
thanks.
We don't mess with that foolishness. Just use the doggone thing. It's a tool, right?
Right.
All right.
Right.
I'll go back on mute.
Okay. All right. So you're gonna click on that thing right here and download the toolbar, and if it works for you, outstanding. And on the toolbar, there's a link to our to Forex Pros, to the news events, the daily news events, and you can see all that information there. Okay? Okay, Jim. Yeah, but we want you to download our toolbar. Anyway. Okay, so let me just go to the Russell. All right, that's where you get that information, the API numbers. Okay, let's go to the Russell. I took a bunch of trades on the Russell today. I think I took 8 trades on the Russell. And we were back and forth a little bit, but we ended up plus 20 ticks, I think. All right, the very first trade after the open was actually right here. We missed this trade, and then we missed this trade, and we took this one. We got 10 ticks on this one. Actually, we got 9 ticks on this one. It kept going up, but the cycle was resetting. Okay, then it turned around and it started to go down. We missed this nice trade right here. Unfortunately, we missed that nice trade right there. We took this one, and on this one we stopped out just about to the tick, and then it went down exactly where we expected it to go. You know, when you have divergence like this, you anticipate that the green line is going to work its way down into the cycle. That's what you anticipate. Yes, something like that, Jim. You anticipate that the green line is going to work its way down into the cycle, just like that, okay? Just like that. So we lost that one. We were at plus 1 tick at that point. Then we came over here and we lost this one. That put us at minus 7 ticks. Then we got this one. We missed one right in here. It looks like, it was right inside the weekly trading zone, so I let it go. But right in here we took 10 ticks on this trade. That put us at plus 3. Then we missed this trade right here coming out of the weekly trading zone. This one right here. And we're waiting for it to drop down below this level. It finally dropped below that level over here. And we took 10 ticks profit on this. Man, I should have let that ride, huh? Anyway, we took 10 ticks profit on that. And that put us at plus 13. Missed that one. On this one, we took 12 ticks profit right here. This was an up close above the trend line. We missed a trade in here too. This one would have been a break-even trade. But this put us at plus 25. Okay. We took another long trade here that we lost. Put us back to plus 17. And we took a couple more right in here. We took this one for +3, put us at 20. This one for a break even. And that was it in the Russell. We took a lot of Russell trades today. There was a ton of volatility in it. It was great trading the Russell today. But nice move down there, nice move down there. And over here, nice move up right there. So lots of opportunity in the Russell today. Okay. We ended with 20 ticks we took out of it. And gold. Gold is next. All right. In the gold, we didn't take too many trades. Two. All right. The very first trade we took was right here. We took 1 tick profit on this trade. This was our very first trade of the morning. We took 1 tick profit on that. The next trade we took was over here. I believe we took a couple ticks profit on that. I think there's one missing in here. I think there's one missing. Yeah, there is. There's one missing in here, right in here, I think, where we took a down close right here for 2 ticks profit. For 2 ticks profited, put in a lower swing, so we took the follow-up over here. And we took 3 ticks profit on that. That put us at +6 on the day. And then we took this short right over here, which was a down close off the BBC for 6 more ticks. That put us at +12 on gold for the day. Since then, it hasn't done very much. Okay, that's just about it for the gold. All right, and now the soybeans. The soybeans. Now we ended the day. This trade right here that we took, it started. I don't know what time this gosh darn thing started. It started 11 o'clock, and we were still in it at the close. So I ended up taking a break even on it right at the close of the live trading room. But in soybeans today, we took 2 trades. Oh, this one and this one. Okay, this was an up close above the trend line. We ended up taking a break even on that. And this one was a down close off the BBC. We ended up taking a break even on that. Okay, that was all there was for us in soybeans. There was one trade here that we missed that would have definitely stopped us out had we taken it. The thing finally did make it up to 1476, though. 1468 to 1476. And that's it. All right. The ES. The ES gave up a lot of trades today, which is unusual for the ES. It had some pretty good volatility and gave up quite a few trades. The very first one, though, I don't think that would have worked out so well. It was right there at 39.25, and it went up to 40. Nope, the very first one would have stopped out. But there was a shorting opportunity right in here, right there. Then this one, this one, this one, and this one, all long trades. This one would have been a break even. This one would have worked, this one would have worked, this one would have worked, this one would have worked. And that was pretty much it on the ES for us today. Okay. That was pretty much it on the ES. On the natural gas, there was pre-market movement on the natural gas, but after that, I mean, you can see I had drawn in all these areas that it needed to break out of, and it just didn't really break out of anything. I know we had one partner who was in a trade right over here, and I told her, I told you. Right over here, I said, I don't like the way it's trading. And she was in it forever. Anyway, there was nothing here that I wanted to trade on the natural gas this morning. Okay, so I guess we're just going to call it right there. So, that is that. That's the recap. Andrea, you said, where are the candles? What are you talking about? I don't know what you mean. Everybody else can see them. Right? Okay, Dwayne just responded to you. All right. So, if you have not taken a free trial with us, go to CFRN.
No, I didn't respond to her.
Oh, okay. Okay, she didn't. Oh, she could not see. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. All right, Andrea. So if you haven't taken a free trial with us and you want to, go to CFRN.net and in the right-hand column, just put in your name and email address, click register for a free trial, and then you're going to have to click the confirmation link you get. Okay? That's all it takes to register for the free trial. The recaps, not the recaps, the results for the month, we're at $2237.50 right now, $2,237.50 per contract right now. Okay? And you're generally 2 or 3. No, not really, Danny. Sometimes I am, but most of the time it's one trade. The question is, so I understand you're generally in 2 or 3 trades at the same time. Is that correct? It's not really. Most of the time it's one trade, and the trades generally, they're pretty fast.
It's never that way by design. Sometimes it just kind of happens.
Took profit quickly on gold today? No, I don't think I did anything fast on gold today. Gold was really slow. On the Russell, there were several times on the Russell that I took profit quickly. But on gold was pretty slow today. So I was, in the trades that I was in, I was being cognizant of areas of support and resistance where I expected price to hang up. You see, on every single trade that we took, only one of them actually penetrated the pivot. This one right here. Okay, this one made it down to the dynamic support, and once it had gotten down there 4 ticks in profit, I had moved my stop to plus 1 tick. Okay, because I thought it was going to bounce off of this. This one over here, I was thinking it was going to get down here, so I had moved my stop to plus a few ticks, a couple of ticks, I think. And on this one, the same thing. When it came down here, but it wasn't fast. I mean, like, with some of the Russell trades today where I was in and out in like 10 seconds. These just took a long time. Okay, good, Mark. Okay, you just meant I was locking in profit faster than it seemed like I normally would. It was because we weren't getting any follow-through. I wasn't expecting us to get any follow-through. I was expecting these areas, these support levels that set up the trades, I was expecting them to hold pretty much on every trade. And they did. Because there was no follow-through on the gold. It hasn't been for a few days. And that's why I was doing that, Ron. Okay, did everybody understand that? His question or his statement was, I took profit quickly on gold today. Did I do that on purpose? And yes, I did. When gold is really volatile, then these dynamic support and dynamic resistance areas they're not going to be as solid as they were today. But when there's no volatility, limited volatility in the gold and in any market for that matter, these dynamic support and resistance areas are going to, they're going to be a lot more significant. Okay. That's what I was looking at today. So I was just locking in the profit as soon as we got it because I wasn't expecting any follow-through based on, the recent activity of gold. If we would have gotten some nice runs, like, I don't know, there must have been one in the last day. Here's one. If we would, see, this is 1 o'clock in the morning, right here. If we would have gotten some nice runs like this, then I wouldn't have been so quick trailing my stop, locking in the profit. I still would have done it basically the same way, trailing it up behind the MA1 in the black step line, but it wouldn't have looked the same to you. I mean, it looked to you today like it was just really aggressive because it wasn't going anywhere. And when it's really running like this, it doesn't look like I'm being that super aggressive. Okay? All right. That is it. All right, guys. That's it. That was a pretty good recap, I think. So, hey, Mike Reed's out there, so I'm gonna stop yapping. You guys know how to get to the free trial. And if anybody has any questions, you can email us at support@cfrn.net. If you're on the free trial today, you will get an email today at some point telling you what it takes to become a partner. All right? With that, Dwayne, I'm going to wrap it up, and we can head out to